You're in no man's land, Commander.
There's just no sign of civilization at all.
Mile marker 97 out of Broadus. Heading, where am I going? Heading west back to Ashland. About 38 miles away. Not a nothing up here. Beautiful country, but kind of scary in its desolation. But there are these hay bales. So they are scattered. I mean, there are hay bales. One on this side, yeah. Along this entire 40 miles almost. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I don't think it's deliberate. I don't think they blew up trucks. Then why are they always singles? It's an interesting little formation. Yeah, got a miles marker coming up. 9 miles. That's nothing around here. It's 2 degrees. It's going to be very, very sub-zero. And on the way, God's willing to get back home and secure. I don't even call it a substation. It's some kind of switching station. It's out in the middle of nowhere. They could drive a train into it. No one would see it.
Current came through here for sure. Facilitating this dude. Well, he's got some good farm equipment on that one.
What's the nearest town at where we can buy them all?
3-day ride across the desert.